Alright YouTube, scrapping metal with John the Picker. Gonna scrap some more shit at the local scrapyard. I got some copper in that box. Got me a rim there. Should smack that out real quick. Probably hit that with a hammer, smack that out. I got some other random stuff I'll show you here in a second. Some wireage, and some more aluminum. Show you that and then I'm off to the scrapyard. Little low today. And 'tis be the rest of the shit that I'm taking in. I got some aluminum, a busted up electric motor, some dirty copper wire. Yep, I'm gonna load this shit in and take it in and see what I get. Probably more than I get for a whole truckload of metal. What? Oh, she's raining up big time in the Picker Hood, folks. Not good for the fishing people that are in town. Not good for Major League Fishing. We're going to have to go check and see what they're doing today in the rain. They're probably trying to cover their boats up and shit. Bumping around the van, Derby van, one or the other. Yep, we're out at the scrapyard. What? Alright, and this is what I got going on out here. I'm scrapping transformers, electric motors, and other random metals for copper. What? Get all that copper off that little electric motor. That one, I think that's aluminum. Aluminum wire there. Smack these little electric motors off, get all the coppers. Get all the coppers out of electric motors and transformers. There goes Cooper. He's scrapped out. I haven't been tearing these things off because they're copper. What? It's pretty easy stuff here, folks. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Pretty soon I'm going to have a whole bag of this stuff. Alright, I skeeped one bag of copper so far. Got a little bag of copper to take in. I gotta head up to the scrapyard. I'll show you my truckload of metal and then I'll get doing that. Alright YouTubers, got all the metal loaded up in my truck that I'm gonna take in for the day. Couple grills, some computer towers and what have you. I gotta run this shit up to the scrapyard, see what I get for it. See what we get for the scrap metals. Can't be having all this shit around my yard. Wire, aluminum, grill action. Time to head up to the scrapyard. We're fucking on E-boys. What? You gotta be shitting me. Recycling center time, folks. Hang the shit here today. Alright YouTubers, scrap prices in the Picker Hood, all the stuff I scrapped. Scrapped 2 little loads of metal. One day I scrapped some copper that I got from a garage sale, a wheel my brother gave me that was aluminum, some other random crap. That's what I got for that. So for the copper I got from the garage sale for 10 bucks, I got 20 for it. So I made 10 bucks. Oh yeah, we like that. Scrapped a couple grills, Some pots and pans. Frig was that? I paid 10 cents for that thing that I got 20 cents for. Got a garage sale. Some wireage. Some other random metals. That's what I get. See the scrap prices. Tin's down $10. It was 100. Now it's 90. Went down 10 bucks. What? Scrapping it up.